First riff. How sweet it is to be loved by you. Just G, G, and E minor 7, and A7, and D. And here's the riff. Okay, I'm gonna slow that down. Fourth fret, fifth string, 5, 6, on a fourth string, now it's on the fifth string, now I'm on the fourth string, third string, 4, 6, 7, slide up to 9, back on the fourth string, sliding back down. Just slide, I'm sliding up and down. Moving to a G7 chord. How sweet it is to be loved by you. How sweet it is to be loved by you. That's the refrain, so here's the verse. I needed the shelter of someone's arms. There you were. I needed someone to understand my ups and downs. And there you were. With sweet love and devotion, deeply touching my emotion. I just want to stop and thank you, baby. I just want to stop and thank you, baby. How sweet it is to be loved by you. How sweet it is to be loved by you. I close my eyes at night, wondering where would I be without you in my life. Everything I did was just a bore. Everywhere I went, seemed I've been there before. But you brightened up for me all of my days. Love so sweet in so many ways. I just wanna stop and thank you, baby. I just wanna stop. Thank you, baby. How sweet it is to be loved by you. How sweet it is to be loved by you. Does a little you were better to me than I was to myself. For me, there's you, and there ain't nobody else. I just wanna stop and thank you, baby. I just wanna stop and thank you, baby. How sweet it is to be loved by you. How sweet it is to be loved by you. Great song by Edward Holland, Lamont Dozier, and Brian Holland, I guess. A couple of brothers, Motown brothers. And James Taylor picked that song up, and the rest is history. Guitar Bobby here. Peace, and thanks for watching. I hope that was helpful.